Alef Bet 5, consonants and the vowels that make the sounds A and E. Shalom. In this set of slides, 2 new vowel sounds will be introduced, E and A, and 3 new consonants, Dalet, D, Sin, S, and M, Sofit, the letter M that only will appear at the end of a word, such as in this word, Shalom. Each of the vowel sets and consonant sets will be formed together to make a real Hebrew word. Be sure to repeat each sound as it appears. Double dot A, repeat, A. Silent letter A, repeat, A. That only appears at the end of a word, repeat. Aim, repeat, aim, meaning mother. Repeat. S, note the dot is on the left. S, repeat. S, sa, repeat. S, some, repeat. Some, put. Repeat. S, sa, repeat. Ra, repeat. Sarah, repeat. Sarah. In English, Sarah. Double dot A, repeat. A. L, repeat. L, A, lay, repeat. Lay. Repeat. Lay, Leah, repeat. English, Leah. Leah, repeat. Triple dot E, repeat. E. Dalet, D, sound is D. Some people see it as a door. Some people see the dent at top. D, repeat. Not to be confused with the letter above, rounded resh. Dalet, D, repeat. D, E, de, repeat. L, E, t, l, et, let, repeat. Delet, repeat. Delet, meaning door. Delet. E, repeat. Repeat. T, te, repeat. T, tem, repeat. Tem, repeat. Tem, meaning you for a group of men or boys. Tem, repeat. Tem. Repeat. Yellow, y, repeat. Y. Ya, repeat. Ya. D, repeat. D. Yad, repeat. Yad, meaning hand. O, repeat. O. Y, repeat. Y. O, repeat. Yo. Yom, repeat. Yom, meaning day. Yom. Shalom.